Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare for you liver pate, which this is a French dish, of course. What we have to do is we need 2 onions, just like this. We need liver, which is about a pound, and we need chicken fat, which I already put it and I turn it on, and the fat, it melted already. All the fat is melted. I have to take the skin out. We have to turn this on high, and we're gonna put first the onion. This is 2 onion. I cut it a little bit smaller, but doesn't matter how you chop because it has to go into the blender. We need 5 boiled egg, and boiled very hard. We don't want to burn the onion. We just want that to be really soft, translucent. And then we're gonna need our mold. You can put that in plastic wrap and wrap it. You can take a little cup or any kind of mold, big, small, doesn't matter. Put the plastic in, so when you fill it, if you want to come as like a mold, you turn it upside down and you take it out. But after we cook, we prepare, we have to put this in refrigerator to get harder a little bit. Okay, now that you see the onion, it's pretty much translucent and it got softer. Now we're gonna add our liver, our chopped liver. There you go. Now the liver doesn't need too much cook, like I said, maybe about 3 to 4 minutes. It depends how fast your fire cooks. Because when we cook too much, it dries it up. All right, we're gonna add black pepper. We're gonna add some salt. The salt, it depends. You can taste it later on and you can see how much more do you need. We don't want red in it. We don't want blood. So we just want it to be cooked. It's very important when you put a lot of onion in it, because the onion, it will make it softer, juicier, tender. If you want, you can add little paprika, little chili pepper. All right, now we're gonna turn this off. Now we're gonna put this in a mixer. We're gonna fill this into the blender. And then we're gonna put our 5 boiled chicken eggs. Those eggs are fresh from my chicken eggs. If you like plenty onion, after it's done, you can even put fresh onion in it. We'll do it one more time. So we want all the ingredients to blend very nice together. Oh, that looks very, very, very good. You just have to make sure that it is like a puree. Of course, we have to keep this in refrigerator. So what it does, it keeps it, it makes it a little bit harder. Well, there we go. But of course, you have to keep it in refrigerator, like I said, and it will be harder. And then you can cut just like a pâté, you know, and you put like this, couple crackers on it, and you will put some little pickle with this, and it will go very, very, very delicious. You'll take the bread and you spread on it and you will enjoy it. This is how you do it. So, well, I hope you'll try this and you will enjoy and eat. And in case if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and I will thank you very, very much. It's a very delicious liver pate it is. Thank you again. Bye-bye.